need to go to the given link. After that you can download this Minitab folder, download anyway. Now save this file in your download. After the downloading, extract this file, right click on it and extract all, extract to your desired folder, then open the folder Minitab. Then you need to execute the setup file. Yes, then you need the installation wizard will appears. Let it load. Then you need to follow some steps to install the software. Click to the next, then yes, then click to the next, complete setup, next to the default folder, click to the next again. Now the installation of Minitab will start it, will complete it in a couple of minutes. You need to add the shortcut to the desktop. Now the installation is completed, finish, go to the desktop. You can see the icon of Minitab for the student software, double click on it. The software will open, go to the help to see all the details about Minitab. You can see the usernames and all the versions of that. Then let's test some of the work. Let's type some values in the cells, and now let's create some graph. Click on OK, select the values. So you can see it shows the map. It means it's working fine. Thank you so much.